continue. And I hope you enjoy our lesson. And I hope you remember last time when we discussed. So it's too good to learn about the Bible because this is all about our God who created us. So it's just right to learn about His words because His word is the message for us to live. Okay? So we're still in the chapter 5, but we did some of the lessons. I hope you still remember the Beatitudes. How many Beatitudes is this?
10.
I think 9. 9.
9.
The salt and light, we are the Christians are the one gonna stop the decaying and give the light to the world. The prophets in the law, we discussed how different prophets law given, and we studied them, right? And then after that, last time we discussed about anger or murder, right? Anger is also a murder. Yeah, if you're angry in your heart, you already commit murder. And today we're gonna discuss about
Divorce.
the
Divorce.
divorce. We're not done yet with the
Adultery.
adultery. Still remember about that?
The why's it cross?
So we're on that right now.
Versus anger.
Okay. Okay. So let's proceed with our
Quiz.
motivation. This is motivation to set up your mind, to set it up. Okay. Okay. So what verse are we in now? Matthew chapter 5 verses
26.
26,
27.
27, 28,
28.
29, 30.
I'm still in anger.
Right? Right. So let's this is from the previous one. Man says good people go to
Heaven.
and bad people go to.
Hell.
That's how God, man perceived. But Jesus said, unless your righteousness
Succeed.
exceeds, so we have to do better than the Pharisees and the scribes. And then you will never if you don't exceed. So we have to learn. That's why we're studying. Say, like they say, don't follow their. Do they say, because they're teaching what's in the law, but don't follow their examples. Okay? So you know this already. Whosoever shall say to his brother blank. What does that mean?
It's an insult.
It's an insult word. Okay, there's no English translation. Because that's mean you're seeing your other person like below to you. Like you're treating him below. Okay? Matthew chapter 5, 23-24. The idea of sacrifice for them was very obvious. Very simple. If a man committed sin, what happened?
Wait.
The idea of sacrifice was very obvious. They sacrificed, right? So, if a man committed sin, what happened? A blank came between himself and God. What's gonna happen to you and God?
Separate.
Separate?
Wait. Start with S.
Huh?
Let's start with S. Let's start with. Wait, what does it start with? Don't say it!
A blank came between himself and God. You and God, because you make sin, there's this happening in your relationship.
What does it start with?
I will give you. Reach.
I'll just say distance.
It's like your relation is good, but just kind of wiggly relationship now because you make sin. The relationship was disturbed.
Yeah.
There's a good relationship, and then you make sin. So that's why they offer
Yes.
a sacrifice. And whosoever shall say, thou fool, shall be in danger of
Hellfire?
Helper. Or what's that other word?
Kahina.
Okay. Same chapter 24. The relationship was disturbed. That disturb was to be remedied. It need to be fixed by a contrite and
Broken heart.
broken heart. Like you really mean it that you made a mistake. It's really you really deeply in your heart. And a man was confess his sin, and a man was to manifest repentance. So I made a mistake. You promise you not do it again, or you very sorry. It's not like, oh, I made a mistake. That's fine. Not like that. Okay. Same chapter and verses, and then in order to manifest outwardly the inward feeling, he was to bring animal as a sacrifice. The animal wasn't the issue. The blank was. It's not you sacrifice the animal. It's not the problem with the animal.
Attitude.
The attitude, your attitude was the problem. Okay? Same. Before offering your sacrifice, you remember that your brother has something against you. Leave that.
Attitude.
Leave that what?
Altar.
Altar. Leave that altar. You're in the altar. You're offering it. And you remember. Oh, okay. So leave the altar. Don't make the. What are you going to do in the altar? What are you doing there?
Sacrifice.
Sacrifice. You don't do your sacrifice until you make this. It means fix the relationship from man to man before you fix your relationship to God. Okay? So you make peace. This is the 20th. When do you need to reconcile the accuser? When?
Now.
Now, not later. Why?
Because what if
It's
judgment
too late.
comes and you didn't?
What if it's not too late?
It's too late.
Yeah.
Yeah. You never know when it comes.
It's
Eh?
not too late.
Okay?
So it's too late.
You prepare to settle and you thrown into jail. What will happen to you?
Gonna die
Down to
there.
death.
Gonna die there.
Oh wait, no.
You're gonna die there.
You're not
You're
paid.
gonna
Not
die
paid.
there.
So, this is
You're gonna die.
this is just the same as you have sinned, you don't confess, the judgment come, and you are going to hellfire, and you cannot go there. You cannot pay. So better settle it. Okay? Matthew 5:27. What is that?
Not go.
Wait.
Not go.
Last time. This is last time.
Mama's cheating.
If your right eye causes you to sin, tear it out. But I
Yes,
say
but
to
right
you,
there.
everyone looks at one with the last. You have heard it was said, and if your right hand causes you to sin, carry it out. Which one is that? 27.
You have heard.
You have heard it was said, you shall not
Commit
commit
adultery.
adultery. 28.
Wait, let me see.
Here is the choices.
But I say to you.
So, you shall not commit adultery, but I say to you that everyone who looks a woman with the lust already committed adultery with her in his heart. Good. 29.
If you're.
If your right eye, this one, right eye, causes you to sin, is always seeing bad things, what are you going to do?
Throw it away.
Tear it out, tear it out, take it out, tear it out. It's better for you to lose one of your eye than to lose the whole body thrown into jail. Okay?
Dude, what about the left? Why is it the right?
The right is always the one being used. The right hand, the right. Right
Oh,
eye.
what if it's the left?
It's just like this is like you know, common sense only because you always use the right hand. 5:30, the last one.
If you're the right.
And if your right hand causes you to sin, cut it off, throw it away. It's better for you to lose one of your members than to hold body to jail. Like if your hands always like stealing or hitting or punching or making people, hit or hurt, cut it off. Because it's better for you to lose a hand than the whole body. Okay? What is adultery?
Something adults do.
We talked about this.
We talked about this.
We talked about
Yeah,
it.
this is just a review. We don't about this. What's adultery?
Ah, I
In your
forgot.
own sentence, what is it?
Am I wrong? Am I wrong?
Yes, you are.
It's
Yeah.
kinda only a bit right, but
If
mostly
you see
wrong.
bad, oh,
What?
We say, oh, that
if
guy
you see a
committed.
girl,
Ah,
it's pretty.
ah.
That's adultery.
What?
Oh, kinda. Okay, so here is adultery. Here it is.
Yung asawa,
In the Bible, adultery defined as a sexual relationship between a married person and someone other than their spouse. So you have a relationship with not with your wife or husband. That's adultery. Okay? It is considered a sin, a violation of marriage because marriage is sacred and you cross over. So that's a sin. And it's forbidden by Ten Commandments, right? Thou shalt not commit adultery. The Bible emphasizes that the sanctity of marriage is important and faithless within it. Okay? What is the meaning of the phrase, by them of old? The phrase there, by them of old.
para sa paano matutunda.
Wait, what? The thing there, mine is a mobile.
Do you don't remember that time?
Wait.
It is like saying, you say, oh, they were saying, those teachers were saying, do not commit adultery. But he was saying, that's not enough. And that's only the teaching of the teachers, okay? Or the Pharisees. Whoever looks a woman to lust after her, he doesn't say commits adultery. What did Jesus say?
Cut your eye out.
When you look at the girl with lust, what happened?
You committed the sin.
You committed a sin? You commit adultery?
Yeah.
That's what he said?
Oh, no.
No.
If you look with the lust, you don't commit adultery. You already,
Yeah.
you're done. You did it already. Okay? So it's not like it's the starting, you already did. Okay? After her already commits adultery in her heart. Okay? Here, long before something happened on the bed, something began to happen in your head. What does it mean?
You're already like thinking it. Like you're
Oh.
like it's not even done yet, but you're already thinking about what you want to do or something. Like
So it means you're not doing the action yet, but when you plan it, it's already happening. Even though you're not in the action of doing it. But if you think it, you're already doing it. Even though you're not doing anything yet. Okay? So it starts in the mind, right? Before the sin of adultery happened, it was already in the mind before the action. But I say to you that everyone who looks at a woman with the lust already committed adultery in his heart. Which body organ is the first responsible for
The
committing sin?
Eyes.
The eyes, or the
Ear.
sense of seeing, the sensory organ, the visual system. Okay? You can never win on Satan's temptation. We discussed that, right? He will always pull a trap. What do you need to do since you can never win?
oh, I have a question for
Go
the other
away.
one.
Okay.
Oh, the other one. So what if you can't see?
Huh?
What if you can't?
Oh, so
see?
ibig sabihin, you're not, you are like free from making that sin, from lusting,
It's
because you cannot see.
What if you just
That's
don't
what
hear now?
that's what they're saying. If it causes you, tear out your eye. So it's better to not see than commit sin. Okay? Clear? Okay, here. We said you can never win the Satan because Satan is powerful. You are just a man. He will always put a trap. What do you need to do since you can never win?
Run.
Run or flee or go away. Do you know? There,
Go away.
see, there's a movie is there's a scene, that love scene or whatever. you have to turn it off, or you have to go away, or your friends are talking about bad things and you're hearing it, you run, you go away because those are traps. You don't think, oh, I can handle it. Don't think about that because Satan is deceiving. Well, he's good on that. You have to flee, run away from it. What did Moses say in Deuteronomy 22:22, or punishment for adultery?
Stone to death.
Both man and the girl will be stoned to death.
Are they married?
No,
No. They are stoned to death. Why?
because they both committed the acts of
Yeah.
adultery.
Yeah, there's more meaning to that. Why they need to be stoned? Yeah, they
Because they need to purge the sin from
you need to.
them.
What's mean by purge?
Get rid of.
Yeah, like pushing it away. Say these are contaminated. This is not to be followed. They're gonna be stoned to death. So people will say this is so bad. Okay? That's in the all the times. So it's the same thing. Both shall die, lying a woman, well as the woman. Thus shall you purge the evil from Israel. Okay? What is all about 2 Samuel 11?
David.
David what? What about David?
David's not with the girl. I don't know her name.
That's the last one we discussed.
I don't know her name.
David commits adultery with
Oh,
Bathsheba.
there it is. Bathsheba.
So, still remember the story?
Yeah.
No.
What? What was
Did
the
you
story?
read ahead?
No, remember he wanted to kill
Oh,
the
did you read
general,
ahead?
but by making him go home, like he
Did
also
you
wanted.
read ahead?
If that didn't work, because he sent him to the front lines, he still came back alive. And so when he tried sending him home in hopes that he will lay in bed with his wife, but he never went home.
So what happened? So David because David's kingdom is keep bigger and bigger. They keep winning this. The Lord is inside, right? In his side. So he was like an anointed one. He was like always winning. But one time he didn't come to a war. That's supposed to be in his job, right? Like he decided, oh, I'm not gonna go this time, right? What happened? She is resting on the balcony, the upper roof, and there's like a porch there, and he's walking and resting then, and then he saw a woman bathing, which is a beautiful woman. And what happened? He inquired, who is this woman? He asked one of the servant, hey, find out who is this girl, right? And then she said, oh, this is Bathsheba. Normally they introduce the girl's name and the dad, but you know the servant said she is the wife of Uriah, one of your generals. It's like there's already a hint that say, hey King David, this is one of your general's wife. I know you are maybe getting the girl what you want, but this is a general's wife of yours, a servant of yours, right? But still, they sleep together, and then after a while, they found out she is pregnant. Of course, that is from David, right? So what's gonna happen? David and one of his general, the servant. What's gonna happen? There will be a what?
What? Sorry.
There will be a conflict,
Oh, yeah.
okay? So or maybe they not gonna be loyal to the David that much because of what happened, right?
Bakit ba pumayag yung babae?
So that was the one of the angle too, because the other preacher saying, there's a writer said, Bathsheba knows that David is walking there, and in the tradition of the Hebrew girl, they are so conservative. How come she knows that she is gonna be seen by the king and it still happens? So there's also a point like that. It's like she really intended to do that. There's a point like that, right? So she have a mistake. She knows she's gonna be seen. she's supposed not to do that. She's supposed to like maybe shower in a cover or whatever. But David has a mistake though. His job is to be in the battle, but he decided not to go and leave his job, and this is what happened. So, see, this sin is a trap. Remember, sin will make a way. David is make you fall into trap, right? He is so deceiving. You're not thinking that he's gonna go through you, but he is because he's so smart. So what you gonna do? Flee, run away. That's what we're talking about, right? So, what happened? She got pregnant. So instead of David admitting, hey, I made a mistake. What did he do? And maybe the devil, hey, you can do something to cover this, right? Okay? You make his husband lay with her, so it's gonna be clean, right? So that's what's the intention, to cover up, which is also a bad thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so he called the general and in the battle say, and make him feel that he's appreciating him because he is in the battle. Make him rest and take a break and go home and sleep with his wife, right? But he never did because he stayed in the palace. And what then? When David is waking up in the morning, oh, maybe my problem is solved. And when he opens the door, he found out that Uriah slept in the castle, not in his home. So he said, what is this? So he said, why you didn't go home? Why did you take a break, right? Okay, so but anyway, what did the guy said? My general Boaz, I think that's the I forgot the name. The superior one said, they're in the battle, they're sleeping in the camp, they're not comfortable, and I should be taking a shower and go to with my wife. That's not fair. So I should not be celebrating because my other soldier are there suffering, right? So the second day, what happened? David make him drunk. Okay, okay. Let's stay here. Let's drink. So David try again to make him drunk and maybe hoping he will go home because he's drunk, right? But he still failed, right? And then what happened?
What?
What happened? After that.
After what? What?
So after that, he failed, and then the guy, the Uriah was decided to send back to the battle. So that's what we will read. But what is the next story? What's the title?
David
has Uriah killed.
David what?
David has Uriah killed.
David, how did we didn't read that, but he set it up to be. He asked him to return, but he gave him a note that's saying, you send this group on the front of the battle, and then you guys back out. So what does it mean? What's gonna happen?
Keep them stranded.
So they're gonna be in the front, they're gonna be in the race of being killed first. So that's what's happened. But remember that Uriah is the one holding the note, giving to the upper general. Do you think he read the note?
Yes.
That he's gonna be killed?
Yes.
I don't think so. He's so loyal. He's so loyal. He have the note. He kept it. Don't read it. He give it to the general.
Oh, I thought
Okay?
you meant. I
Okay.
thought you meant like the general read it. I thought you
Okay.
did.
So when he gave the note to the general, and the note said, "Put these guys on the front and back out." So he was saying, "What is this?" Right? So what happened? They're in the front, and they're the first group to be killed.
I'm gonna read it.
Okay? You don't read it. What's the next one? Topic, only topic.
Nathan condemns David.
That's the other story when
I don't know who Nathan is.
Nathan is the prophet for
Right?
them. So when the battle is done, the soldier report to David, "Hey, one of our group was killed because they close to the wall. And David was so mad. Why you guys go to beside the wall? You know, this king was killed because a girl threw a stone because he leaned beside the wall. He was so mad. And then there was a note. By the way, Uriah, your soldier was killed. So the general said, and he was like, oh, he remembered. Oh yeah, I planned that. So he was like, yeah.
How do you forget that?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that was the story. Yeah, I did not get to read. This is long. Right?
Yeah,
And
I
after
kinda-
that,
I kinda read it.
after the morning of Bathsheba, and then David and Bathsheba got married, and the son in the womb,
God.
then Nathan. What he said? Nathan what?
Condemned.
Condemns David. So Nathan go to the castle and said, King David, there is one poor family here has one sheep, and those rich guys took the sheep and kill it for their own likeness, like just like for
Like-
fun.
Bully.
Yeah. And David was so mad. Sabi, who is this man?
It's you.
Sabi niya, get this man and make him pay 4 times and throw him in the jail. So he was so mad. This is so unfair.
It's you.
Then that's the only like treasure of that poor man, and they take it away. So he was so mad because he's a just king. He's a very good king. Everybody like him. He's a hero. And then when Nathan when David said, who is this person? And then Nathan said,
It's you.
it was you. Sabi niya, you plan to kill Uriah and take his wife. Sabi niya, the God condemn you. Sabi niya, what is David? David can't kill that prophet, right?
Yeah.
Because he's the king. Why are you saying to me, I can... But David moved back and said, I have seen God. He said, I have seen. I did wrong. He is like broken-hearted. He is a man. You know, David is man after God's heart. Like the way he thinks is the way God thinks. Everything he prayed. Whatever. But that one time he made a mistake and he realized he went so far from God and he regretted. But every sin has a payment. He cannot get away even though he's good. So the payment is the child will die. And he's so broken-hearted because of his sin. The child will die. He didn't eat for 7 days. He just like laying down face on the ground, and every servant saying, hey, eat something, whatever. He didn't move. He really tried that God can change his mind of taking his child life, but it didn't come to. And then when the medical doctor came, and then the baby came out, and then he said died, the baby is dead. And David get up. When he said, what is the doctor said? He's dead. The baby is dead. He get up, he take a shower, and he eats. So that's like a weird thing, eh? So what is David said? I try my best to change God's mind, but He is God. Whatever He wants, He will do it. Now, I'll take a shower, I eat, and hoping on when I die, I will see my child again. Because he mourns before, not after. Normally people mourns when person dies, but David, no, he's like an opposite. He mourns before, and accepting God is doing that in His will, and he accept it. Okay, so that's the story. We're done. Okay, let's
Then
continue.
after Solomon.
Huh?
Then after that, Solomon.
Solomon, yeah, okay. There's lots of stuff. Solomon is the next king. There's Absalom pa. Absalom is favorite son.
What?
Yeah. But Absalom tried to kill him to take the throne. There's a lot of story.
Oh my God!
Yeah, so complicated, okay? So, but Bathsheba and David, their son, because from sin, it died. And then the next son is Solomon, which is the next king.
Come on.
Okay? Okay. So we're done with that. And that, we discussed what is adultery and the praise by them all. We already discussed that. And whoever looks on the woman already commits adultery. And before the action happened, something happened in your mind. And you have to turn with your eyes. It means you have to make a contract with your eyes. If you think if you're seeing bad things, you don't need to stay there. You have to run away. Okay? And this is the punishment for adultery. If you catch doing them, you are going to be stoned to death according to the law. Okay? And then we read David's commit adultery with Bathsheba. Okay? Okay, Exodus 20:14. Exodus 20:14. What does it say?
You shall not commit adultery.
That's one of the 10 commandments. You shall not commit adultery. What number is that? On the 10?
Huh?
5? I'm not sure. I'm sorry asking.
18.
I think 7, 6. No?
Huh?
Okay. Deuteronomy 5:18. What is that? Read. What it says?
Neither shall you commit adultery.
Same thing. Don't commit adultery. And when you look at the woman or a man, you are already commit adultery. So that's what is Jesus saying. Okay? Verse 29. And 7. Okay. Verse 29. He gives them a solution. If the right eye offend thee, pluck it out. So that's the solution there, right? In verse 29. If your eye is causing you to sin, take it out, pluck it out. It's better for you, but profitable for thee, the one who members should perish. It's okay for you to don't have an eye than the whole body. And if the right hand too offend you, cut it off. Cut your right hand. Because if your right hand is doing something bad, cut it off. It's better for you to go to heaven without a hand rather than your whole body go to hell. Something like that, right?
Wait, so then if you cut off that arm, does that arm just go to hell?
I don't know. That's a good question. eh?
Because you said you're gonna go to heaven without the arm, so what happens to the arm?
So, but, someone is so serious about this, they do it really. So that is not what it means here. Okay? Plucking the eye is another way of saying stop staring with another woman or a man, or you will not lose if you do not stare. You see it? Don't look back again for the second time. Make a contract with your eyes. That's bad. Don't look back. Not to take out your eye, because I think literally someone did it, but that's not what it means. That's not what it means. Right? He's really saying is that anything that causes a man to remain in his sin and to ponder the adulterous heart and the evil heart should be eliminated if it is the most precious thing you have. Okay? So, this is really serious about sin. If your money is making you sin and not to share, throw out your money. If your looks is making you sin, then, change. Okay? It doesn't say only the eyes and that, even your feet. If your feet is always going for a wrong place, maybe change your direction. Okay? So it's really serious. Whatever is like starting you to make sin or to do bad things, change it. Change it. Okay? If you have problem with your thought life, this is like thought life, how you think, right? Admit you have a problem. If you have a problem with seeing, you have to admit, oh, I have a problem, so I have to be careful. I have a problem with this, okay? Affirm your purpose. I should not do this. This is bad. I have to stay clean. I have to stay clean, okay? Apply your protection. Pa, how you gonna apply protection?
Go to church? Pray?
Huh? Go to church, go pray, read Bible, because this will remind you, okay? You know what is an ermine?
What?
Ermine. Search it up, ermine.
How do you spell that? Oh! It's so cute.
Ermine. What's ermine?
It's so cute.
Ermine. What is ermine? Tino mo just what is ermine in the mama cell phone?
Protein. So it said.
E-R-M-I-N?
Let me
Huh?
check.
E-R-M-I-n?
Yeah?
Let me check.
It's a protein.
Picture. Picture.
Let me check.
Picture. Image.
So cute.
Image.
She wants to do it.
Ermine.
It's so cute. Looks like a weasel.
I know. Safari. Earth and Tagalog.
Ano yun? Picture, image, wala?
How do I spell it?
E-R-M-I-N.
Ermine. Ermine ba na Hermine? Hermine yata.
Armin?
Ah,
Stewart.
ayun ba yun?
Yeah, this is it.
This is the ermine.
It's so cute.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
That's the winter one.
Yeah. Ermine.
Oh!
These are the ermine. What is an ermine? It's a kind of animal, but there is a big purpose. Look, next slide.
It's a Stewart.
So the ermine are used to make those royal clothes for king. The prairie one is so white. That's where it is. Huh? That's where it is.
How dare you?
So, now they culture, di ba, yung mga leather, galing sa animal yun na, ganun yung ginagawa.
Not the
Okay.
Stewart.
Okay? So that's what they do. Okay? So that's ermine. See? This is what they're made of. They're so majestic, they're so good. Okay? Yan, yung clothes. So expensive too. Okay, so expensive. You know, the ermine, before they are wild, they are being chased by dogs. They are chased by dogs in the jungle. So what the hunter do, when they see a hole, like a gopher hole in the ground where they live, they put mud, like liquidy mud. And then the dogs was let go and they are chasing the hermine because they need those skin for expensive clothes, right? But you know, when the hermine is gonna run back to the hole, and when they see that the hole is mud and it's dirty, they're not gonna go in and they're gonna face the dog until they die. Yeah, they're gonna fight to the death. Why? Why do you think? Why are they dying, not going to their home the whole back? Because it's dirty. They don't want to get their skin dirty. They're so white, they're so clean. They're gonna die rather than to make themselves dirty. You know? That's so interesting. That's why that is what is in our lesson.
Man, I should make
So?
a presentation about that.
So they are so dedicated not to get dirty and die. So that is what maybe we can do to our eyes or whatever. Okay? So they have their instinct like that. So if you don't want to make sin, you do everything not to get dirty or to make sin. Okay? But now they are being cultivated in a farm or whatever, and then they get their skin and make profit of it. Okay?
Wait, they don't die?
They were being cultured and they were being killed to get the skin. Okay? Any question? Huh? Okay. Let's stop it.